Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you ChatLab live record live radio broadcasting platform. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, total RJ, then total event, total achieve, pending achieve, latest event, latest radio jockeys. Another option is manage pool. You can add pool, edit and delete, disable also, manage RJ. You can add RJ, edit also, then manage event. You can add event, edit and delete also, then manage archive, all and pending, then support ticket, pending ticket, close ticket, answer ticket, all ticket, then system settings. You can customize its general settings, logo, system configure, notification, SEO, manage page extension, private policy, custom CSS. So many options you can customize. Extra facilities, application, server, cache, update, all you can customize. Report and request. You can edit your profile and change your password. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.